Today, I'm going to take you on a tour. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Charity and my husband Ben is usually behind the camera. Sometimes he's on camera with me, but we wanted to take a moment to say welcome and check out all of the videos that we have regarding RV life and RV living. Today, we're going to take you on a tour of the Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS. And I think you are going to love this model as much as I do for its family-friendly floor plan. So let's go inside and check it out. So we're going to start in the kitchen because if you have a family, then you probably know that the kitchen tends to be kind of the hub of where everything happens. So there's several things that I love about the kitchen setup in this particular model. I love this is a huge counter area. So not only can you have kind of your coffee or whatever else here, but your Instant Pot, anything that you need to set up kind of for cooking. If you use an electric plug-in griddle, this is plenty of counter space to be able to have all of those. And then right underneath here are two different outlets. So you've got a total of 4 outlets that are right here. Back here in this little storage area, there's some USB ports. So you've got USB ports to charge any devices. There's so much cabinet space in this particular unit. Nice, big, deep cabinets all throughout this kitchen area. Plenty of room for storage. You've got all of these drawers here. You've got these drawers here, and then more cabinet space down here. This is solid, but you've got plenty of space in here. So overall, just love this setup. You've got your sink here, and this particular sink is like your one big farmhouse sink right in here. So you've got all of this right here. You can put this back on for more counter space. Behind here are more cabinet options. So you've got all of this space down here, huge open space down here underneath the sink area. And then you've got all of these drawers here as well. 3 really nice sized drawers here. And then over here, we've got the microwave convection oven combo. Now, the microwave convection oven combo is absolutely wonderful. If you don't want to have to use the stove all of the time, to use the convection oven option in the microwave, we use that in our rig all the time. So you've got your 3-burner gas stove here, your oven down here, and then of course some storage right down here below the oven, and then more storage here next to the stove. This goes back quite a ways, so there's a ton of storage that is available right here. The other thing that I love about most of these Grand Design models is they have a pantry. This cabinet has a light that has a sensor that is operated. Then when you close it, it will turn off. And then when you open it, that light will turn on so you can see into your pantry area, which is something that I absolutely love. And then over here, you've got your 4-door Norcold fridge. So this fridge is about the exact same size fridge that we currently have in our rig as well. So this is a great size fridge for a family. The freezer has 2 separate sides to it, and I've been able to fit plenty of stuff in our fridge freezer for our family while we're on the road. So this is a great size fridge, especially if you have a family. So let's come over here and let's talk about the living space. Now, I absolutely love this living space with this slide out. Gives you lots of room to walk around. You've got some more storage in your cabinets up here above where the TV is. You've got your sound system right in here. You've got your fireplace, which is beautiful. And then check out this little storage area right here. This is perfect for the kids' DVDs, or anything that you want to put in there next to the TV area, but perfect little storage area in there. And then more storage here. So I love this net, works great for books or anything that you want to stick up in there. I don't personally put out a lot of decorations, but I love that there's kind of these little nook shelves if that's your thing. I would see myself using command hooks and utilizing that space for those types of things. And then you've got more cabinet storage down here as well, which is just absolutely wonderful. And then above where the couch area is, you've got more storage up here, which these overheads are great for storage. We have some of these overheads in our current rig. And if you're curious about our current rig, we'll put a link up above to our RV tour of the RV that we're currently using. So I love these overhead cabinet storage. And then you've got your couch here. You've got the heated, the little lights in the cup holder, the massage, which is really just more of like a vibration thing. And then you've got your reclining as well. So you can just kick back and watch a movie or whatever you want to do. So very nice little couch setup with all of the cup holders that are in there. And then the dinette is also great because this can go down for sleeping if need be. So I do personally like the dinettes that have the option to convert into sleeping space when needed. Now with a family, I personally like to keep the dinette open for eating, but I like the option because every once in a while we have extended family and the cousins and everything that want to come along. And so that makes for a great extra sleeping area when you've got that option. So let's go take a look at the bunkhouse. So back here, you have a whole separate kind of bunk room, or what I would envision as the kids' room. So let's go check it out. So I am loving this space for kids. So you've got a bunk that is up here. Then you also have this bunk up here, as well as this couch down here. Now, I love that this bunk folds up and out of the way, so you can have seating on this couch if you wanted it, or folding this out into another sleeping space if you needed it. So depending upon your family size, lots of options for different size of families. Another thing I love about this is, again, the storage back here is great. So you've got this very large storage area with a bar, hang your clothes here, shoes under there. You've got more USB ports here. There is a mount here for a TV if you would want to put one in there. Tons of drawer space. So in our particular rig, the storage tubs we use versus the drawers, I usually do one kiddo per drawer or per tub. So plenty of drawer space to be able to put everything per kid or however you choose to organize it. But 3 of those there. And then these shelves that have this lip are perfect for things like books or school books or whatever you need to put there. The other thing I like is this back here, which, because it's on the floor, makes great to just throw all the shoes or anything like that there that you don't necessarily want to get into a drawer because there might be dirt and things. Here is something else I love about this particular layout. A second bathroom. So you've got your toilet, you've got your sink. Having a second bathroom when you are a full-time family is absolutely wonderful to have. And if there's one thing I wish we could change about our current rig, it would be a second bathroom, because with kiddos, it's nice to let them have their own space and have that second bathroom. So great thing that I like about this particular bunkhouse area. So Now that we've taken a look at the kids' room, let's go look at mom and dad's room. Now, I love this particular space. You've got a queen bed back here in the bedroom, but you've also got kind of this little mini dresser area with huge drawer space. I mean, we're talking very large drawer space right here with these drawers. Another one here, a closet space here. And then this closet also comes into the bathroom area, which we'll show that here in just a minute. But another thing I like about this particular model is all of the cabinet space above the bed. You've got plenty of cabinet space above the bed as these cabinets go all the way across. Another thing is you've got your outlets here with this little shelf here. So one thing that's really great is you can put your phones to plug your chargers in here, set your devices right up here at night if you wanted to, or I love that there's a little nightstand area as well. And check this out. More storage down here. So you can put more things down here as well. I love that Grand Design does such a great job of being aware of utilizing space when it comes to storage, because if you've been on the road for any length of time, or if you're considering going on the road, you're going to quickly come to the realization that storage space is at a premium, and it's nice to utilize any and all open spaces that you have for storage purposes. So it looks like this whole kind of closet area would be on the slide. So the nice thing about this is that this slide is going to come in this way. So if you are traveling with this rig, you will still have access to this front bathroom through the other door. If you do need to stop, pull over, somebody's got to go potty, because that's gonna happen while you're traveling. So it's nice to know that you don't cut off access to any of your bathrooms as you're traveling when your slides are pulled in. So the nice thing about this particular floor plan and setup is you can go right from the master bedroom into the bathroom area. You've got two separate entrances, this one that goes into the bedroom, and then this one that goes out into your hall area. The medicine cabinet is all right here. Nice storage space that is all in here. You've got your storage underneath, which is nice deep storage there. Plenty of room for other things over here. Then this closet, which kind of half of it is in the master bedroom and then half of it's in the bathroom. So you've got this kind of closet space here, and then another drawer here, which is great to put any of your towels or anything like that, where you kind of have half of that available in the bathroom area so that you can use it for storage with things like linens. The shower here is decent size, and I am a pretty tall person, so with this skylight being right above, there's quite a bit of headspace. I'm almost 6 foot tall, and I have no problem with headroom in this particular shower. When you step out, you got to kind of make sure you don't hit this, but nice shower doors there to be able to get in and out of the shower area. And then of course you've got your porcelain toilet right here as well. So on the outside, you've got some pretty decent storage. This storage does all the way through, so it's pass-through storage here. Plenty of space to be able to store whatever you need to store underneath your rig here. And then you've got your propane in here for when you need to fill up on your propane. So underneath the front here, more storage, so plenty of space to store anything that you need to store underneath this area here. And then over here on the opposite side of your pass-through storage, you've got all of your water hookups, and you've got your handles for your draining your tank. So your gray and your black tanks, you've got your handles for all of those right here. Tucked right back in here are your auto levelers. So this is where that you access those levelers, and the little control center is right in here. So in here you've You've got another one of your propane tanks. Now these are 30 gallons each. So with one on either side, you've got 60 gallons total propane capacity, which is really nice to be able to use your gas stove, or if you need to use your furnace, or if you happen to be using gas to run the refrigerator. So this particular rig has two separate awnings. You've got your main awning here, and then you've got another awning that comes out over that's attached to this slide. But let me show you something on this that I think is really cool. You have got a whole outdoor kitchen space here. So you've got a 2-burner stove here. You've got a sink here. Plenty of counter space here to be able to prep food or whatever you like. More storage. I love storage everywhere that you can have storage. You've got more storage here, and you also have another outdoor little fridge here. So these are great for drinks and things like that to have outside. So this particular setup is perfect for you and your family to be able to really enjoy being outside and have your outside cooking area set up for you all right here. So thank you so much for watching this video. We invite you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell icon below to be notified of when we release new videos, which is every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.